Respected Chief Guest, Dr. U. Venkateswaralu, IAS Joint Secretary, Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Government of India, Chairman IIP, Mr. S.K. Ray, Vice Chairman IIP, Mr. R.V.S. Ramakrishna, Past Chairman, Mr. P.D. Shah, Director IIP, Mr. N.C. Shah, Mr. Chakravarti ABPS, Chairman IIP Hyderabad. This is an evening for launching of INPAC 2014. This is our first launching we are doing here. Hyderabad is a city. We are proud to be launching the first launching here of INPAC 2014, which will be held in the year of 2014, January 16th to 18th at Pragati Maidan. This INPAC exhibition we are conducting, organizing in every cities. We are trying to change the cities. Earlier it has happened in Hyderabad, then Guwahati, then Mumbai. Now it is Delhi. Purpose of this exhibition is to disseminate the packaging machineries informations, materials information, displaying of the materials by providing the stalls of the manufacturers as well as the different countries, new themes, new materials, by providing stalls among the packaging industries and other industries and common people. This time it has been decided Delhi. It's a very nice place, Pragati Maidan. And venue is hall number A, B, C. Schedule, it is starting from 15th to 16th January 2014. 16th to 18th. Who are the exhibitors? Basically, manufacturers of packaging materials and machineries. Visitors will be packaging and end users from food industries, pharma industries, cosmetics industries, textiles, automotive and other sectors. Key driving factors of this exhibition is the Indian packaging industry is currently 18.8 billion with a growth of rate of 15% per annum. Growth rate is expected to be doubled within coming 2 years. India's per capita packaging consumption is less than the worldwide average, which offers business opportunity to Indian packaging industry to a great extent. The large and fast-growing Indian middle class population and growth of organized retail sector are the catalyst to growth in this packaging sector. The Indian middle class population is above 50 million and expected to touch 583 million by 2025. So this is the driving factors. The Indian retail market is 2,660 million US dollar, with organized sector at 157 million US dollar, which is expected to touch 460 million dollar by 2010. Packaging of essential products like food, beverage, milk, vegetable, food grains and pharma are the key driving segments because of the huge domestic consumption. India's imports at 20 to 25% with a value of 125 million US dollar of its total packaging machinery indicate further opportunities not only for Indian companies to increase their share in the domestic market, but also for international companies to explore new business opportunity in India.